Lesson 4. How do the structures of a plant use water, air, and light to perform life processes? Activity 9. Learn. Plant food. Analyze like a scientist. Plants are able to manufacture food from materials that they obtain from their environment. You already learned that plants have structures that take in water and nutrients from the soil and move them to other parts of the plant. Plants also have structures that capture sunlight and take in air, then combine the water with carbon dioxide to make a sugar called glucose. Plant cells use this glucose for food. This process happens in a plant's leaves. Sunlight provides the energy needed for this food-making process. Energy can be transformed from one form to another. During this process, light energy absorbed from sunlight is transformed into chemical energy that is found in glucose. This process by which plants use sunlight to manufacture food within the leaf is called photosynthesis. Phloem moves glucose from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. Plant cells use glucose as a source of energy to live and grow. As they use glucose, they release oxygen and water into the air. These materials are considered waste products of the photosynthesis process. Other living things, such as animals, depend on the oxygen that plants release during this process of food production. Activity 10. Observe like a scientist. Flowers and seeds. Plants use specific structures to obtain the materials they need to grow. You learned that the leaves play an important role in the process a plant uses to make its own food. When you think of flowers, you probably imagine large colorful plants seen in gardens. But some plants, such as grasses, have very small flowers that are hardly noticeable, and some flowers are not very colorful. Regardless of the shape, size, or color of flowers, they all have the same main job: to help plants reproduce. Plant reproduction is the process of making new plants. Flowers are the reproductive parts of many plants. Have you ever seen a sunflower? The small dark-colored objects in the center of the flower are seeds. If seeds receive air, water, and the correct temperature, they can grow into a new plant. Now, the homework: how plants use the food they make to reproduce. Why are flowers and seeds important to a plant? You can leave your answer in the comments. See you in the next lesson.